gourmet cooks out there, welcome back to another video. What's on the menu today is some creamy, cheesy baked mac and cheese. I have a very unique way of how I do this recipe, so I want to share it with you all. So we're going to go ahead and jump into it. You'll need your choice of elbows, better than bouillon or chicken stock, 2 cans of the cheddar cheese soup, regular cream cheese, and I'm only going to use a tiny bit of that. Sour cream, excuse me, I've already preheated my oven to 350. You want to go ahead and do that as well. But sour cream, evaporated milk, heavy whipping cream, and then your choice of cheese. So I'm using a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I have some triple cheddar, sharp cheddar, Colby Jack, and Monterrey, and mozzarella. So, and you'll also need 3 eggs for this. So let's go ahead and jump into the recipe. All right. So I'm actually filming with my phone, y'all, so please bear with me. But once your noodles are actually done, and I just followed the box directions, you want to go ahead and add in a stick of room temperature butter, and you want to mix that around just like that. I want to add in some sour cream, and I'll have all of my measurements in the description box below. So I'm going to add this in. This is going to give it just a nice creamy texture. So it's kind of like a secret ingredient. Go ahead and season your pasta. And I'm just adding in some onion powder, garlic powder, salt. So you'll add the cheese sauce in. What it does is it infuses the pasta with this sauce just to make everything kind of blend evenly. So I love doing this in my macaroni, and it does give it a nice flavor as well. You want to go ahead and add in your cream cheese, and the cream cheese, it just gives it like a nice whipped flavor. So I love adding cream cheese in with my cheese sauces that I make, just like this. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in my cheeses just like this. So you want to just take a handful of everything. So I added in my triple cheddar. I added in mozzarella. Some sharp cheddar cheese. And also some Colby Jack and Monterey. So you'll just mix that around evenly, just like that. Because we want this to be cheese infused. So, and you can also adjust your seasoning at this time, because once we add our custard, which has raw egg in there, you're not going to want to try it at that time. So this is also another perfect time to just go ahead and adjust those seasonings again. So once it looks like that, we're going to go ahead and get started. Very simple to do. You want to go ahead and butter your casserole dish. We're going to go ahead and take that first layer of mac and cheese, just like that. And we're going to just put it on the first half of the pan, like that. Then we're going to go ahead and take our custard, which just has our heavy whipping cream, carnation milk, and our eggs. And we're going to pour that over top. Look at how silky that looks. And you'll sprinkle some cheese in there, just like that. And then you'll repeat that step again. guys, so this is my finished and completed baked mac and cheese, and as you can tell, it's just nice and creamy, and I love to have my cheese crust just a little burnt. I love burnt food. That's a fun fact about me. But anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in here because I want you all to see how it looks on the inside. So it's nice and cheesy. So you want to let this set out for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes before you dig in. So I'll come back in just a moment and show you how it looks once I get it plated. All right, everyone. So this is my finished and completed cheesy baked mac and cheese recipe. It is very flavorful, and I baked it for about 45 minutes to an hour. And you can also broil the cheese crust on top. As you can tell, it's nice and cheesy and creamy. So yes, I just love some cheesy baked mac and cheese. If you like videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. I post weekly on this channel. So yes, it's always been a pleasure. And I hope that you all will definitely try this recipe and you enjoy it. Till next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.